This is Loki in his travel cage that I just got set up for our trip tomorrow. Look at him. He is loving it so much. He couldn't wait to get in it. Oh my goodness, when I was cleaning it out and setting it up and making it, he just could not wait to get in it. Where is he? There he is. He was so excited. Weren't you? Weren't you, Loki? Huh? Yeah. He wanted to get in that new cage. He could not wait. He loves his travel cage. We're going to visit family tomorrow, huh, Loki? Yeah, we need to have a cage for you. But I'm sure you're going to sit on top of my head the whole time. But for when you need to eat and drink. Oh, you're so special, Loki. Loki! Let's see you. Hi! What are you doing? What you doing, kisser? Kidder? What you doing? Oh, you hear those parakeets? You talk to those parakeets? What are you doing, silly? Huh? Well, anyways, that's his new cage, or, well, not his new cage, but his new travel cage. His new used travel cage. And I think I did a pretty good job. I think he likes it. He was very excited about that toy, that's for sure. Look at him. Oh, he's so silly. You're so silly, Loki. What are you doing? You better not fall down from there. Better hang on. Oh, you're silly.